Hey everyone, welcome back to Danvar Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your Facebook account. Whether you're looking for a break from social media or just ready to move on, I've got you covered. Let's dive right in. Tap on the three horizontal lines and then tap on the settings icon. Now tap on Account Center, scroll down and select Personal Details. Tap on Account Ownership and Control, then tap on Deactivation or Deletion. Now select your Facebook account and tap on Delete Account. Now select any reason and tap on Continue. Scroll down and tap on Continue. Now enter your correct password. Tap on Delete Account. And that's it. Your Facebook account is now permanently deleted. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Danvar Tech for more tips. Thanks for watching.